Yo, what's going on guys? It is DK Mac with another video. You see why I am doing this normal video is today I am doing some cooking to see if I can cook. So yeah, first of all, let's turn on to the thing and we need to heat this baby up. Today we are going to do some beef burger and it's fresh. It's from the butchers. This one's wherever it's from, well, what country it is from. We've got the pan ready and that sort of thing. Pan is ready, guys. So all you need to do is heat it up before you put it in. Before I put it in, subscribe to the channel and turn that notification on if you want to see me do some more cooking in the future. And I'm going to post this Instagram post in the links in the description, and yeah, we're gonna get some batches. The batches, what we're gonna eat now is 100% fresh. And the batches are 100% fresh, and yeah, this bad boy is heating up slowly. Let's go. So yeah, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and yeah, it's in already, guys. So all we need to do is keep on flipping it. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it's heating up now, guys. It's why nice when you cook food, you need to know when you need to put the oven on. I put mine, it's electric, guys, so it might take a minute to heat, or yeah, it's heating now, guys. So subscribe right now. So guys, please smash that like button and subscribe, because it's going to be banger videos on this channel. And yeah, if you're having a burger, guys, please follow my instructions. If you have electric, gas, whatever oven you have, put it on 4 when you have electric, and gas you put it on 140. Yeah, gas 140, 4 on your heater. It is cooking now, guys. So guys, you need to smash that like button if you want to see any more videos on this channel. And yeah, we got to set these batches out right here, guys. I will show you right now. We gotta set these batches out, and yeah, follow my instructions, guys. Batches, right, let's move these. The batches are here. Can you see them, guys? Yeah. Flip that. You need to keep on flipping and pressing down when you need to. And yeah. Now, if you want this to happen, you need to get some letters while it's cooking and all this stuff. So I'm going to bring me with you. So guys, the fridge is right here. So we need this lettuce right here. Fresh lettuce, not this used lettuce is right here. What we're going to use here. We don't need any more, guys. Lettuce, we don't need any more. So yeah, we don't need any more lettuce. That's all we need so far. The burger is cooking. I'll put them little pieces up in a minute, guys. The lettuce is here. Put these in there. Let's cook like golden something, guys. The burger is cooking right now. I will show you right now, guys. Burger, 100% beef. Cooking on a pan today, guys. This 100% beef, so it might actually go smaller. So there's the burger cooking. So guys, here's the lettuce what I'm using, 100% fresh, and I have a business coming soon on my channel, and so I am doing a Instagram. Page coming soon. A few tutorial one. And yeah, this is going to be fun. Yes, guys. So gotta do some more cooking ones. Lasagna soon, guys. Can't wait for that, guys. First YouTube one going on my channel. This cooking tutorial thing. It is really helpful when you cook in future. I am a chef, guys. I am a chef. I've been doing chef work for 2 years and I work for YouTube. This is my job right now, to do YouTube stuff and cooking in the future. So if you want to cook, DM me and send me your picture of your food and I will cook it, guys. Ow. That was a mistake. When you flip it, do not get any fat on your finger because it might burn you. And do not meet any blood in the middle because it's wrong. And if you really want to cook stuff like this, DM me and I'll cook it and maybe I'll send it to you. Always wear gloves. I haven't got any gloves at the moment. This is what I'm eating, so yeah. Always have cheese slices if you've got any. Any chefs out there, DM me please. Because it takes quite a while to do when your burger's done, and it just fits right on your plate like this, and I'll show you guys right now. That is out the way. Fits right on there like that. Turn the oven off. Put it back where you always put it. Open the window so you don't get any smoke anywhere else. Get some cheese. Just one, guys, just one. Just one slice of cheese and that'll do. One slice of cheese on top like that. It'll melt itself. And get some lettuce on top like this. I'm sending this to my Instagram. DM me on Instagram, DKMatt. After that, yeah guys, you can't really see the burger, but the finishing touch is this. So if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, and yeah, I'll see you in my next YouTube video, and that'll be tomorrow's YouTube video. I think it's a music video because I already recorded it. And here comes the try test. Guys, 3, 2, 1. Perfectly cooked, medium rare. I love my medium rare. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. DM me. I'll be posting a new video on that channel, on this channel. Subscribe to my second channel, Matt Vernon, and yeah, subscribe, turn the notification on, yeah. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.